Planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning for the week of August 17th to the 23rd and using the Sunshine Kit from Peach Pom. This is my first time ever using a kit from Peach Pom, so I'm very excited to try out one of her kits, and I think this one is perfectly appropriate for this week. It is extremely hot in California. It feels like August and September is when summer in California really gets into full swing, and it'll be hot here all the way into October. But it has definitely been hot this past week and going into this week as well. So excited for this very sunny, summery kit. These are our 9 full boxes, and this is foiled in, I believe this is light gold foil. I actually think this may just be her gold foil. Some shops tend to have gold foil that leans more to like the light gold side and isn't super yellowy. But so this is probably going to end up being like a mixed metals kit for me because I'm not intending to use light gold foil. I am probably going to pull in some more traditional yellow gold foil into this. But since I do have some light gold foil stickers, we'll see what happens. On this page, we have our gorgeous bottom washi. I am so in love with the foiling on that bottom washi. Our date covers, some bow headers. We've got icons, page flags, some layering stickers, and deco headers, more bow headers, little things, and then there's some appointment labels here, quarter boxes down here, as well as build-do stickers, and then we've got half boxes, our sidebar stickers, and some quarter boxes here. So let's go ahead and find our bottom washi and get started putting down the stickers for this week. Okay, so just in case you were wondering, based on that intro, I absolutely pulled in all of my yellow gold stickers into this spread. I don't even think I tried to look for my light gold stickers. It was just like, I'm just going with the yellow ones. Anywho, I'm happy with how it came out, and it doesn't look like a mixed metal spread at all. It came together perfectly. So I think I was right. It's regular gold, maybe? I don't know. I could be wrong. Either way, let's move on past that. I'm putting down the bottom washi. That's how this is starting. And by the way, in case you're watching this today, that I upload this video on Friday, August 28th, which is tomorrow on the day that I'm doing this, is Peach Pom's 5-year shop anniversary, and they are having an amazing sale, which is fantastic, and you do not want to miss out on that because I had so much fun planning with this kit. It's really nice when kits come together super easily, and that makes me excited. I, of course, already picked up my fall kit from Peach Pom, so yay for me, because it would have been nice if I had known the sale was coming. I would have waited, but I might pick up something else. We'll see what happens. But anyways, onto this spread, I put down the bottom washi, and the date dots that I used are from Rose Colored Days, and I've placed down my date covers, and now I'm going to start building my sidebar. I started by placing one of the circle icons that came in the kit in the top corner, and then that August script is from Rose Colored Days. Then I'm just going to put down the quote box and start building the sections in my sidebar. I've been starting by having a work from home sort of counting section in my sidebar, and so I'm putting down this label sticker from Harriet Wright Designs, and I'm just going to write what week it is. This work from home script is from With Love Sticker Co. And then, oh my gosh, this divider. This is from Letters from Lay, and this was the first week that I actually got a chance to use her dividers. They're amazing. And I even like that they're on clear paper, which is a nice change for me because my preference for most of my stickers is having them on premium matte paper because it pops more when they're on white, but I like it on the clear. This one's works. Anywho, I put down one of the quarter boxes from the kids. Actually, it's like a little thing, and to use as a header for my dinner section, and then put down the Monday through Sunday. That's a full week. My Monday through Sunday tracker, and then I'm adding my habit trackers. The stickers in the sidebar are from Sticky Sloth Designs, but her shop is closed now. So if you're looking for really good script stickers, some other shops I get scripts from: Rose Colored Days, Letters to Apollo, Nettie Designs, all have really good script stickers. Moving on to Monday, I put down one of those page flags and layered this 3-heart checklist over it, totally inspired by Allie Joan Plans on that one, because I needed to make a checklist of some things that I wanted to focus on for work that day, and decided to try it like that instead of using just my regular half box like I normally do. Then put down the full box for Monday, and I'm adding one of the appointment label stickers from the kit, layering some of the little floral deco that came in the kit with it, and I'm using that to mark making a grocery list and ordering groceries for that day. I love how I say that like I do things. Yeah, I'm gonna have a list for my husband so he could order the groceries. I did nothing. Um, Underneath there, I used another one of those dividers from Letters from Lay, and then I bought another house. I listened to a podcast entitled We Bought a House. I love that podcast name now. It used to be a thing where I felt bad because I felt like I was confusing people, and now it's just a really funny joke. So I love it. Yeah, I'm buying houses every Monday now. Get on my level. Anyways, on to Tuesday. I put down a quarter box from the kit, and I'm using these bowstrung boxes, they're hanging bows from Sadie Stickers, and I am marking a no spin. That no spin script is from Rose Colored Days, as well as the squiggle that's underneath it. And we all know in the planner community how hard it is to stick to a no spin on $2 Tuesday, but I did it, so I'm insanely proud of myself. On to Wednesday, I put down a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design, layered some of the floral deco from the kit, and the Instagram icon is from Nettie Designs to mark my midweek post, which I always post something on Instagram on Wednesdays. And then back over to Tuesday, I used a half box to update my team on the September planner project, which is what I was calling it in my planner before I'd made the announcement, which you'll see towards the second half of this week's spread that I am going to announce what that super secret September planner project actually was. Underneath there, I marked that I had a haul go up live on YouTube on Tuesday, and then I marked a CVS run with a little credit card icon from the Pretty Pink Co. layered over that Letters from Lay floral deco piece. I finished up Tuesday with a exercise icon from the GP Studio. On to Wednesday, I put down a half box because we had a team meeting by Zoom to go over a really important change that was happening at my job. And oh my gosh, if you follow Lauren from Plan Mosh Plan, she posted in her stories, I think it was yesterday, sharing like horror stories that people have had on Zoom sessions and close calls, exposing themselves, embarrassing moments. It was hilarious to read, but also I just felt so bad for everyone. I could not believe it. I don't have to do Zoom calls very often, and after reading those stories, I'm super grateful for that, because oh my gosh, I embarrass myself so easily, and I would be mortified. Oh, I'm grateful it hasn't happened. On to Thursday. I scattered the full boxes for the second half of the week, then put down a half box and went back to my usual way of marking things for work. Instead of with a checklist, I used a half box and just marked down some things I needed to do, which actually I had another meeting on Thursday, which is what I put in that box. And then I put down some floral deco, layered another one of those florals from Letters from Lay on top of that to mark again, working on some things for that super top secret September planner project. Then I was doing some cleaning around the house, getting ready because I knew my husband and I were going to be babysitting our godkids on Friday and Saturday. And I am marking on Friday, that I took the day off of work because the thought of trying to work from home and watch 3 small kids, I was just like, nope. Hats off to all you moms out there. I don't know how you do it because I didn't even want to try. So I hopped back to Thursday to mark my workout using a sports bra from Paper Muse Crafts, and then back over to Friday. The divider is from Nettie Designs, and I'm using another one of those floral deco pieces from Letters from Lay over a half box, and that box I just used to mark that we were babysitting our godkids. Putting down one of the hexagons from the kit. I'm going to add some more of those hanging bows from Sadie Stickers, and these I got off of Rachel from Gathered Plans, her freebie from Sadie Stickers. I do think these might be sold individually in the shop, but I need to look because I really love using these, and I think at one point she did sell these individually. The TV icon is from Paper Muse Crafts. I used that to watch Moana. My niece wanted to watch Moana all day. We watched Moana 3 times in 2 days, and that's because the other 6 times she asked, I said, no baby, I'm so sorry, it's not your turn to pick, it's your brother's turn. Because I was like, oh my god, seriously, again? We just watched it. We just watched Moana. No, we can't do that again. Anywho, underneath there I used a quarter box, and that little house icon is from Two Little Bow Babies shop, which is Sticky Bow Babies, to mark playing in the backyard with the kids. And then at the bottom I used a sort of like a crock pot looking icon just to mark cooking dinner, and that icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. On Saturday, I started by putting down a coffee mug from Artbox stickers to mark waking up early and making breakfast. And then in this half box, I'm just going to mark that we spent the day playing with our god kids. And like I said, I watched Moana again. Underneath there, I put down a divider from Letters from Lay, and then I'm using a quarter box, adding some floral deco from the kit, along with this edit icon from Crafts by Towie to mark editing my plan with me. Which actually, yeah, watching Moana wasn't so bad because while the kids were distracted by the movie, I could sit on my phone and edit. And then at the bottom, I put down a scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design, layered some more of that floral deco from Letters from Lay, along with a car icon from Crafts by Towie to mark their dad coming to pick them up. And then Sunday, I'm starting by marking sleeping in because we were exhausted. It was so fun having them over, and we missed them so much. It was so funny because my husband and I woke up and he looked at me and he was like, you know what I feel like watching? And he was like, Moana. And I was like, me too. Oh God, she got us. She got us. We're addicted to Moana now. Anywho, underneath there, I'm using a bowstring box from the Given Girl, and underneath is layered some more of those floral deco stickers from Letters from Lay to mark that Viv and I had a Plan With Me collab go up on Sunday. And if you haven't checked that out, I will have it linked in the description box. And underneath the full box, I'm adding a half box because it was finally time for us to announce this secret September project, which was the In and Out Planner Challenge. And so I will be doing that with Crafty Ink Girl, Harmonious Plans, Letters from Lay, and Tiff's Planet. And if you have not checked out my Instagram stories, all of the details are there. And this was the day you guys got to vote on what was in for the challenge and what was out for the challenge. So it was a lot of fun. Thank you so much to everyone who voted and participated. It was really cool to see what you guys picked. And I am so excited for this challenge. So I hope you guys are all looking forward to that as well. I used a money icon from Paper Muse Crafts to mark paying bills, and then finished this spread off with a workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. I hope you have an amazing day and staying safe. I'll see you next video. Bye.